Of my paper is data privacy and stronger encryption. The main method of my paper is basically a questionnaire that I developed. The questionnaire tests subjects on their knowledge of data privacy and encryption. The questionnaire is divided into three parts. The first part is data privacy. Data privacy asks questions such as you receive an email that your account has been temporarily locked and needs to be reset immediately. Enter your credentials below and we will be notified to unlock your account. Your credentials, you you do not enter your credentials or you ignore the email. The answers can vary. It can be more than one answer. The second part of the questionnaire, experience of how to control someone's data on the internet. The third part, analyze the subject cryptography skill. For an example, the subject will be asked questions to list the different styles of encryption and cryptography. Subject will be also able to demonstrate their cryptography skills by decrypting hidden messages. The outcome of my method showed that some individuals were aware of the issues related to data privacy and some individuals were not. In conclusion, in order for us to ensure data privacy or to promote the awareness of stronger encryption, subjects need to be not only subjects but individuals in the world need to be educated on issues related to data privacy. Further thoughts. Could data privacy be resolved? Could the issues upon data privacy be resolved? Subjects such as Topics such as cyber security insurance has become a popular thought lately. Is it just a popular thought, or could cybersecurity insurance ultimately help secure data privacy? The goal here was to promote awareness to the importance of data privacy and stronger encryption. My method was a questionnaire with three parts. The subject were middle school students and college students. Thank you.